In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide sheets, columns, and rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data or sharing information with others, sometimes you might find that certain parts of your spreadsheet have been hidden, either by intention or by accident. Let's walk through how to uncover them seamlessly. First, let's cover how you can unhide rows. Imagine you're looking at your spreadsheet and you suspect some rows are missing. The easiest method to tackle this is by locating the two small arrows on the gray bar where the row numbers are lined up. These arrows appear at the spot where the hidden rows reside in the sequence. Simply click on these arrows, and like magic, your hidden rows will reappear. Another handy way to achieve this is by selecting both the row numbers visible above and below the hidden section. Once you have them highlighted, right-click to bring up the context menu and select Unhide Rows. And there you have it. Your once hidden rows are now visible again. Now, let's move on to Unhide Columns. This is a similar process to unveiling hidden rows. Start by identifying the two arrows on the gray bar where the column letters are placed. Click on either of these arrows to unhide the column directly. Alternatively, if you want a slightly different approach, you can select the column letters that are visible on either side of the hidden one. Right-click your selection to open the context menu, where you'll choose Unhide Columns. Just like that, any hidden column will become visible once more. Finally, unhiding entire sheets is quite straightforward, though slightly different from rows and columns. To reveal any hidden sheets, you'll need to navigate to the View menu located in the top toolbar of Google Sheets. From there, drop down to the Hidden Sheets section, and you'll see a list of any sheets that have been hidden. Click on the sheet name you wish to unhide, and it'll immediately reappear among your other visible sheets, ready for you to view and edit. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the visibility of your data in Google Sheets. Remember, these techniques are excellent for staying organized and ensuring no crucial data remains hidden when sharing your spreadsheet with others. Whether you're collaborating on a project or managing a personal budget, being able to quickly unhide elements in Google Sheets can be a real game changer. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, navigating hidden sheets, rows, and columns will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet managing.